Venice, the enchanting city of canals, has captivated hearts for centuries. But there's a looming question that's been on everyone's mind. Will Venice really sink by 2150? To understand this, we need to dive into the unique challenges this city faces. First, let's talk about its geography. Venice was built on a series of islands in a lagoon, which means it's literally floating on water. The city's foundations are made of wooden piles driven deep into the mud, but over time, these piles have begun to deteriorate. As the sea level rises, the very ground beneath Venice is slowly sinking. It's estimated that the city is sinking at a rate of about 1 to 2 millimeters per year. While that might not sound like much, it adds up over decades and centuries. Now, combine that with climate change. Global warming is causing polar ice caps to melt, leading to rising sea levels. Some scientists predict that by 2100, sea levels could rise by as much as 3 feet. If that happens, many parts of Venice could be underwater. The combination of sinking land and rising waters paints a grim picture for the future of this iconic city. But it's not all doom and gloom. Venice has been proactive in addressing these challenges. The MOSE project, for instance, is an ambitious engineering endeavor designed to protect the city from flooding. This system of barriers is intended to rise during high tides, keeping the waters at bay. While it's not a perfect solution, it shows that there's a commitment to preserving Venice for future generations. Additionally, the city is adapting in other ways. Local authorities are implementing measures to manage tourism and reduce the environmental impact on the fragile ecosystem of the lagoon. Efforts to restore the natural balance of the area are crucial, as a healthy lagoon can help mitigate some of the effects of rising waters. So, will Venice sink by 2150? It's hard to say definitively. The situation is complex, and while the risks are real, there's also a strong will to fight against them. The future of Venice depends not only on the actions taken today, but also on global efforts to combat climate change. In the end, Venice is more than just a city. It's a symbol of resilience and beauty. Whether it sinks or not, its spirit will continue to inspire those who visit and cherish its unique charm. The question isn't just about whether it will survive, but how we can all contribute to its preservation.